Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a closer look at the BLACK+DECKER EM031MB11 digital microwave oven, a sleek 1000 watt countertop microwave designed to make everyday cooking simpler, faster, and more efficient. If you're upgrading your kitchen, or setting up a dorm, office, or apartment, this one deserves your attention. Features: 0-20. Let's break down what makes this model stand out. 1. 1000 watts of power, gives faster heating and more even cooking. Perfect for reheating rice, cooking noodles, or heating leftovers without cold spots. 2. 1.1 cubic feet capacity, a roomy interior that fits a standard dinner plate and larger bowls. Ideal for families, students, and office cafeterias. 3. Digital control panel, clear LED display, simple, intuitive buttons, quick touch presets for popcorn, beverages, potatoes, pizza, frozen meals, and more. 4. 12.4-inch glass turntable, provides even rotation for thoroughly heated meals, removable and dishwasher safe. 5. Multi-stage cooking, lets you set different power levels in a single cycle, useful for defrosting and then cooking immediately. Let's take a moment. If you've ever used cheaper microwaves that heat unevenly, or take ages for simple tasks, you'll instantly feel the difference with a 1000W model like this. Safety and design, the child safety lock is a big plus, especially for families. Just long press the stop button, and the controls freeze, so no accidental starts. Its black stainless steel exterior gives it a premium, modern look that works with nearly any kitchen setup. The compact but efficient design means it won't dominate your countertop. Performance, during everyday use, the microwave performs consistently, defrosts meat evenly, reheats leftovers quickly, boils water for tea or coffee fast, melts butter or chocolate without burning. It's one of the set it and forget it microwaves that stays reliable over years. Cleaning and maintenance, the interior is designed for easy wipe cleaning, meaning splashes and oil marks don't stick hard. The glass turntable lifts right out and is, so overall, the BLACK+DECKER EM031MB11 is a dependable, powerful, and stylish microwave that provides great value for its price. If you're looking for a microwave that heats fast, looks modern, and stays reliable, this is a fantastic pick. Would I review it again? Absolutely. It delivers exactly what most users need.